Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to go through the answers to page 85 of the Separate Science Chemistry booklet. Let's get started. Ammonium sulfate is a salt used as a fertiliser and it can be prepared in the laboratory and in fertiliser factories. Compare and contrast the two ways to prepare ammonium sulfate. So again, with our 6 mark questions, we want to be thinking about the two things we need to do here. Firstly, we need to compare, and secondly, we need to contrast. So as well as including differences, we also want to think about our similarities. So what are the similarities? Well, to prepare ammonium sulfate, both methods use an ammonia solution. And both methods react with sulfuric acid. And both produce ammonium sulfate. These marking points are quite simple, but they're not ones that people often pick up in the exam. They override them and go straight to the differences. So what are the differences? Well, firstly, we've got the scale. Lab scale is small, and industrial scale is large. We've got the type of process. In the lab, there'll be a batch process, whereas in industry, it will be a continuous process. We could think about the equipment. In the lab, it will be regular, standard lab equipment, whereas it will be quite specific. We could think about the conditions. This will generally be at room temperature and pressure, and you may use a Bunsen burner when trying to get the solid ammonium sulfate, whereas in the lab it will be in temperatures ranging from 60 to 450 degrees Celsius, and the pressure could be a lot higher. Here we've got more than enough points to ensure we get 6 marks on our questions. Let's move on to question 2. Most ammonia from the Haber process is used to manufacture fertilisers. Ammonia is first converted into ammonium nitrate. Which acid does ammonia need to be reacted with to make ammonium nitrate? The clue here is in the end. Nitrate means nitric acid had to be used to form it. Question 3. The ammonium nitrate is then used to make NPK fertilisers, which contain 3 main nutrients needed for growth, N, P and K. NPK fertilisers are formulations. Explain why NPK fertilisers are formulations. Well, this is a standard question straight out of the spec. Formulations are mixtures for 1 mark that have been designed as useful products for your 2nd mark. NPK fertilisers have obviously been designed to help plants grow, and they're mixtures because they're containing N, P and K. So there we have the answers to those questions. I hope you did well, and as always, happy sciencing.